If you have never tried this recipe before, then this is your opportunity to do so. So today I bring to you again my beef patties, one of my best-selling recipes ever. Believe me, this is not just your regular Nigerian meat pie. This is something different. So enjoy this video. Now, if you have watched this video before, the first video I made about this, all you need to do is first to make your short crust pastry. To make this short crust pastry, you need your margarine, your flour, a little bit of sugar and salt. So once you combine it and then make a dough with it, you're going to divide this into 70 to 80 grams each and roll it out just as you see me roll it out and keep aside. Don't roll it out too much. Ensure you roll it out almost the size of your meat pie cutter. Then you also go ahead and make your bread dough. When you make this bread dough, for this bread dough, you need your flour, your salt, your sugar, your yeast and water, and just maybe you can add milk powder and all that. So I'll be listing some of the ingredients in the comment section. Okay, so once you're done making the bread dough, you're going to cover it or wrap it up for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, then you're going to cut it into the same size, 70 to 80 grams, and then make some balls or make dough balls with it. Then you're also going to cover these dough balls to rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, then you start your assembling. So first, you have to place the short crust pastry that you've rolled out, place it on your meat pie cutter. Then you're going to brush it with some water. You can also use milk, you can also use egg, anything at all. Then you're going to take one of the dough balls, then roll it out just as you see in the video. Then once you don't roll it out, you're going to place this on the short crust pastry that you've rolled out and you've brushed with water. Okay, so make sure you place it directly to the center and then push it a little bit out. Ensure to place it exactly as you see in the video. Next, you're going to then scoop in your filling, then apply a little water around the one side of the bread dough, and then you cover it. So once you cover it, it's going to be covered properly so that there will not be kind of opening around its edges. So you're going to repeat same process with the rest of the dough and the short crust, and then just that way you scoop in your filling, wrap it up or seal it up, and then you're good to go. Okay, like I said, ensure that the edges are properly closed. Then you're going to place this on your baking tray with a baking paper, and you're going to cover it to proof or to rest for like 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you go ahead and brush them with your egg wash. Okay, you can, if you don't have an egg wash, I shared a video some time ago how you can also make your alternative egg wash. So you're going to bake this in your preheated oven at 150 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes or according to your oven temperature and time, and you have these amazing beef patties. Hope you try.